Hi guys, welcome to the video of today. On this video I'm going to show you how you can make money taking online surveys from any location. Now to get started, make sure that you use the link on the description to sign up. Right now, the name of the platform is myvoicesurveys.com. Now as you can see here, to sign up is for free. You don't need to pay anything to sign up, so you make money for free basically, right? Sign up is for free and you can take surveys from any location, which is one of the good things. Wherever you are watching this video, it means that you can get started today, now, by using the link in my description. Another good thing is that the minimum threshold is 10. Okay, here they put $10. Yes, that's correct. $10 or 10 euros, right? So you earn money from each survey successfully completed. So it means that after you completed maybe 7 surveys to 10 surveys, you can reach your $10 depending on how much each survey pay. And all of this is free. What do you need? You might be asking yourself. You can do this from your phone. You just need internet connection, whether you decide to use it from your phone, from your tablet, or from your PC, right? And look, man, if you are looking for ways to make an extra money, then this is the best platform that you can start using today. This platform has been around for years. I know I signed up like about 2 years ago, or I don't know, 3 years ago, and this is how they pay. So this is their rewards. They pay via PayPal, Amazon, and which is good. I mean these other platforms that you can use to get your reward, right? So if you want PayPal money, this is the best platform that you can use, and I'm gonna show you just now on how it looks like from the user account, because I have an account with them and I got paid before using this platform, and you too can get started today. Now let's go to my account and let me show you how it looks like, right? So once you sign up, then your dashboard is gonna look like something like this, right? As you can see here on my activity, it shows me that I have 4 available surveys. Now this is how much I made so far since my last withdrawal, and now it tells me that I need this much before I can reach the minimum threshold and get paid. And it shows me, as you can see in this survey, it shows me that it's gonna take 20 minutes. It's gonna pay me 0.76 cents, and it's only allowed on a PC. Now here's something that I want you to know, right? You see this 20 minutes, right? If I were to start this survey, it's gonna take me less than 10 minutes, like literal. So this is just the maximum length that you're gonna be spending on the survey. Like this one here is gonna take 2 minutes. I know this one here is gonna take like 12 minutes, 15 minutes, depending also on your internet connection. But it doesn't really have. I don't remember spending 20 minutes on a survey, whether it was paying me more than $1 or whatnot. So a good thing about this, it also shows latest survey that you can start taking today and get paid. Now let's go see at the rewards, right? The rewards here, as you can see here, I got paid, right? And as I said, I've been using this platform and it's crazy. I mean, I opened the account and I was not actively using it because there's always something that I've been caught up on. But as you can see here, every year I've been paid. I mean, this is fun. I think I need to add 2022 $10 maybe there. Yeah, maybe I'll take 2 surveys and just add a year. So you can see here from 2019 I got paid $10.